Now, how is the performance affected by the U.S. chip ban? Of course, your company has already indicated that there is no impact. You guys use NVIDIA chips, and you also are working on your own autonomous driving chipset. But give us an update on where that stands.
Okay, first, I think right now the all-ring chip supply is very stable because that is not impacted by the latest chip law. But looking forward, we believe actually for autonomous driving, auto chip, especially the good combination of the software and hardware is a key success factor to win this technology R&D race.
Has your supply chain been affected at all by the lockdowns that various parts of China were experiencing? What is your current capacity utilization? Are you on track to meet your Q4 forecast of between 43 and 48,000 units?
First, I think we are very confident that we will to meet our Q4 guidance of 43,000 to 48,000 units. And of course, for any company in the world, in the auto industry, will face this or that kind of disruptions from the supply chains to the logistics. Anyway, I think that's our daily work, and which we should work on.
Now, you've got global expansion plans, and that does include the United States. The U.S. is working on the U.S. Inflation Reduction Act. How will that impact your plans to move into the U.S.?
Obviously, clearly, we understand that now global auto OEMs encouraged to relocate their supply chain back to North America. And for us, of course, our target to enter the U.S. market remains stable, unchanged. And then we will continue to study the IRA regulations and make necessary changes to accommodate the new regulation.
Now, you guys are in Europe, in Norway, Germany, Netherlands, Denmark, and Sweden. And of course, recently you guys won the Golden Steering Wheel,
yes,
which is the Academy Awards
yes,
for your auto industry. What does that mean for you and your global expansion plans in Europe?
First, let me start with our globalization strategy. That is a bit different from other companies. Nio is a global startup from day one, and we aim to leverage global supply chain and a talent to offer world-class products and services to global users. And in our globalization strategy, the business model is global, but the product definition, user experience, service team, and infrastructure must be local. So last year, in September 2021, we entered the Norwegian market. And now ES8 has ranked the top 3 bestseller in the 6-seat and 7-seater SUV segment in Norway. As you said, in October, we held our Nio Berlin and started to offer our products and services in Germany, Sweden, the Netherlands, and Denmark. Last but not least, last week, ET7 won the Golden Steering Wheel Award as the best car in the medium and upper class category. This award, granted by the prestigious German magazine Auto Bild, is a strong recognition for our decisive investment in R&D. So, in short, going forward, besides Europe and America, we believe we will expect to offer our products and services in more and more countries year afterwards.